Welcome to Big Sexy Plays. Today, I'm just gonna be playing some Slime Rancher as one of the free games of the gold on the Xbox Live Marketplace. I downloaded it. I really liked it. Regrettably more than I probably should have. It is just a lot of grinding and mindless gameplay, but if you got a half hour to kill, play some Slime Rancher. That half hour is gonna turn into an hour. I can guarantee that. Because it has for me, unfortunately, on many occasions. The only thing I don't like is, the load times are very slow. It's possible just because of, limitations on the Xbox. Not 100% on that. So you just have to, ooh, I forgot where I was last time I played. Okay. So yeah, this is a forest, and there are these things. These are the tars. They're the pretty much the evil thing that you don't want to attack you. Surprisingly enough, in a game like this, you can die. Let's get back to the farm, and I can show you guys how that works. See, the biggest pitfall about this, I may have mentioned it, is when you first start, the game is primarily just grinding to get yourself resources, which can be annoying, and I can understand a lot of people who don't like that. But I mean, if you have the patience for it and you want to give it a shot, here's treasure. Stuff. Yeah, so if you do want to give it a shot, definitely recommend it. It's fun. It can't hurt. It'll definitely kill time. That's for sure. But yeah, so the whole point of the game is you go around and you collect these things called slimes, and you feed them. And they drop these little gem things, and you send them in for to exchange them for money. And then you just buy land, you buy equipment with the money. It is a very mindless game, but the world's kind of fun to adventure around. There's a lot of stuff. Okay, so we're back on my farm, and we're just gonna transfer some of the stuff I have, bring some of my other stuff to where it belongs. There's some interesting slimes in this game. You got these are crystal slimes. They explode and stuff. They're kind of neat. There's science to be done. This game could almost be said it's almost like a weird version of Portal. You have this weird gun. These are radioactive slimes. They eat these weird potatoes. There's really not much to be said about this game. It truly is mindless, but it is entertaining for some time. You can kill a lot of time playing this. You have to farm all the food for all your slimes. Keep them corralled up, or you can keep them free range like I have in one of my sections. I will show you in a minute. Let's feed a couple of these guys. These guys are very mad. They are hungry. This is a very strange game. You collect their, essentially, poop, and then you sell it. Looks like every other building game, except you don't actually build anything, you just buy stuff. Something that is very fun about this is, it's not really, it's kind of annoying, but like, all the values for the different gemstone things, floors is what they call them, the values fluctuate depending on how many you're selling at a time. So when I first started selling these, they were worth almost 120 a piece. Now they've dropped down to 66 because, you know, you farm them, you get more and more of them. So that's kind of a fun little tidbit about the game. So we'll go in and check on a lot of activity going on in this cave. I actually have stopped harvesting from here just because there's too many to even keep track of. I just have no room to store them. I can only take 50 at a time. I'll come in, I'll grab my 50, and then I leave, and just kind of let them do their thing. Yeah, these guys, they got their own little paradise. I can understand this game is not interesting to watch somebody play. It's almost like just as uninteresting to play. So deposit everything, you get your money. That's pretty much all this game is. You just explore. You find new areas, unlock new areas, find new slimes, and that about sums up Slime Rancher. I'm gonna play for a while and have a good one, guys. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, give us a like down below. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification if you want to be notified the next time we post something. And if you want to see more videos like this or anything else you want me to review, leave it in the comments. I'll see what I can do. Have a good one, guys.